In this section, I'm going to show you how to install or uninstall a program and how the Windows XP features help you. So I want to show you a couple of things here. Get some software free and how to install it and how to remove it. I'm starting here from Internet Explorer, and I browse here a very popular site shareware called winamp.com. You can download all kinds of free audio and video related software. But as you can see, we already have it downloaded, Winamp 2.23. There it is on our desktop. We can double click on it, click on setup, and it is started run. In fact, there it is, it's ready to be run right now. Now we will double click on the exe file. It gives us a few options. It tells us the shareware. It's currently in C. I think we're going to change that to D drive right now because we don't want it in C. Now I browse if I want to select another folder. I don't think so. So we press next. It gives us a list of options, and some of them are add group to start menu. Everything is selected. Let's go next. It gives it our name and address. If you want to do it later, don't have time right now. And finish. There it is. Nice picture, by the way. And we are in it. That was Winamp. The installation is done, and click on finish now. I double click on this shortcut. There's a shortcut and there's a little arrow. These are the actual programs itself, and you can see actually pointing to it. Now close that. Now in this case you put the important dates. There's registration fee associated with this, and you can register and buy it. If you don't, then you should remove it from your computer. So this is how easy to get it and download an application and install it. In this way you can download a lot of things and install it. If you have a virus checker, it is to show how to install a program, and it is necessary to show how to uninstall it. That's really easy. From the start menu, if I go to all programs, here we can see, remind me now, most programs include an uninstaller program in it. If you want to see this, then it's okay to use it, but if you don't, then the other way to uninstall a program is by going to the control panel, going to add or remove programs, and we can open up this window, and you see here there's all the programs, and we can open up this window. So here you can simply click on the programs you want to remove. It tells you some information about how big it is, how much to use it. I am going to click on the change and remove button, and basically it uninstalls the programs. It has options that remove all of the files. Now it is asking me if I want to uninstall Winamp. As I have done it, I will say yes. Now we are deleting it to my recycle bin. Uninstall is completed, and that's how you learn how to install and uninstall programs. And it's no longer in the list over here.